Hi, this is Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you wanted a real good sat-nav holder, here you go. Okay, this one here will take an iPhone XR or even your Galaxies. So enormous great thing. Great thing is the phone locks in here. You see there's actually a proper recess for it, not just these stupid clamps. Okay, so this will get bigger. You've also got built-in USB, so I can turn the USB on and it will actually charge the phone as well, all built in, instead of having a stupid wire running down to battery or whatever. Okay, very good quality. It is actually a bar mount. I've modified this for my Honda, just bolted it through there and I've not had a problem up to now. Run the wires through the bars, as you can see on the Pacific coast. But cracking phone holder, absolutely perfect for bikes like this, like the PC. And by mounting it on the brake cylinder reservoir, I'm not wrecking anything. I can always take this off and put it back to a stock master cylinder. Just drilled it basically. Also useful feature, voltmeter. Okay, it's only on tick over. As you can see, volts, steady voltage, no problem charging at all. Okay, and that is actually with an HID headlight conversion, which I fitted as well. So you can see, very, very bright. Get seen, and at night, believe me, this is like nothing else you've ever seen. But selling a bike as well. If you're interested, give us a call. 01773835666. My other one's done 100,000. I'm going to keep that and just run it into the deck. But been Switzerland, Austria, Italy, you name it on the other one. This one here, I bought it because it's such a nice bike, but to be honest with you, I've only got enough time to ride one with business, etc. So give us a call. Thank you.